So now let me explain you that what is TOC. Okay, so TOC is the transport of copies, and it is the combination of customizing request and workbench request. Workbench request. Okay, so what is customizing request? Customizing request, customizing request. Suppose will be created. Customizing request is a request that will be created by the functional to maintain the data. Okay, so for the configuration of data, you just create the CR, customizing request to maintain configurations. Okay, so this is the customizing request. Then second request is workbench request. Workbench request is request to store development object, to store objects. Okay, so objects can be custom, standard. Okay, so now, so suppose if you have created a package, then you want to store that package in the that package will be stored in the workbench request. Okay, so now let me show you SM30. So we have created this table. Now we want to maintain this data in the TR. Just select all, then table view, transport. Okay, so this is not we cannot transport the data for this table. Reason is we have to change the delivery class. So here delivery class is A, so we cannot transport the data for this table. We have to select the C. C is for customizing table. We can transport the data from the development system. Now activate, save, activate. Now just go to your TMG, maintain, select all. You have to regenerate your TMG. Expert mode, select all checkboxes. Okay, so now SM30, maintain. So just select all these line items, then just wait, customer data, delete, utilities, table maintenance generator. Then again we will create this one step, find screen number, enter, create, save, save, just go back, SM30. You can also click on the transport. Okay, so here you can click create your. So if you check inside this table, then select all. So now it is enable. Okay, so you have to check the delivery class is C, then you can delete your TMG. Then your transport button will be enabled, and now you can transport the data in the customizing request. DNT. So this is the process of creation of the customizing request. Okay, transport DNT, right, select all, include in request, then save. So now all these entries are saved in the customizing request. You can check through this transaction code SE09. So here you can check DNT. We have stored the data here. Okay. So now how we can create the TOC. So first we have to release this. Release, release 986 and 987. Just go back. Now you can copy TR number. You can also release the workbench request. I'm using this workbench request. This is the workbench request. Okay. So here we will release this 977, 978, 977 and 978. Now we will create next session to create the TOC. So here you can click on this create button, then TOC, TOC. So we will have only main TR for the TOC. We will not have any sub TR. Now you can merge your customizing request and workbench request. So just copy your workbench main TR and paste it here. Okay, so here you can see your objects. Then next is for customizing. So this is the customizing tab. You can copy your main TR 986. Just put your cursor here on this state TR and click on this include object. Add the customizing request. Now you can see your data also. So we have merged all these two TR in this TOC. So TOC is the combination of customizing request and workbench request. Now we can also release this TOC. Okay. So this is the process of TOC. How we can create the customizing request, how we can merge the customizing request and workbench request. So thank you.